coil packs too?
No. My wire's right there.
Oh yeah, distributor. That's recording. Darn, well, you wouldn't even see him anyways.
I mean, maybe here. But not really sure what
I was ready for big gains. So I have these spark plug sleeves. These are for my KA, which I don't have anymore. But I guess they're not fitting on this car either. Yeah, we can take that off, but like there's no point then. Never mind.
Solid.
Never mind. The V8s only. For the spark plug heat shields. This is the move of the century. Like for this garage, just look how much cleaner it is right now, at least. It'll get cleaner slowly, but huge moves right here. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, that's neat.
We got all of our bolts here. We got our Phillips drivers. We got our flatheads on this side. I still need to get tool tray organizers, but we got like random little kits in there. Tape and tape measures. All the wrenches. I still need to get all the wrench trays. I don't remember what's in here. Oh, like little socket stuff. And this one is all different pliers and vice grips and cutters. And big stuff down there. Hey. So today, still waiting for my power steering kit and a new intake. I ordered both. So today's to-do list. I'm gonna try to read it from the back. Replace BUNK CX Racing blow-off valve pipe. Install catback. Bleed clutch if Mateo comes. And he's right behind the camera right now.
God damn it.
Install radiator stays, tighten drive shaft, and install the brake master cylinder heat shield, which I have behind the car.
Dope.
So we're starting easy here with number 4, installing the radiator stays. I don't even have a bolt in hand. I'll find one. You know what I need? I need to get more of those nice fender bolts that I have all over my STI for this car.
What is it, like 6-speed?
6-speed, I mean, they're all the same manufacturers, but 6-speed just puts their logo on it, so it doesn't really matter. I had a bunch of them and I gave them all to C. Will though, so I don't have them anymore.
You're gonna give me some.
I'll buy some more. Right now we're just using regular stainless hardware, like peasants. Even though this stuff is actually like way better quality as far as like materials and stuff. Uh-oh. Install gone wrong. It's not threading. It's putting out a weird pressure. Oh.
I thought this was supposed to be easy.
I did repaint them kind of decently, but yeah. Hey.
How you feeling?
Oh, well, we gotta put the tools back after every use.
God.
Oh god, where'd the Sharpie go?
I wonder how long that's gonna last. We're here.
Oh. Let's get this business done. Ooh, progress.
I'm still not over the fact that you're left-handed. Paint?
Yeah, it did a little too heavy though, so it ran. So if you guys remember from my last video, CX Racing, they sent me this pipe, or it came with a kit, and it sucks. As you can see, there's that massive fat gap right there. That's a boost leak right there. Can't have that. So they did actually send me out a new one. I was really surprised. Fortunately, my dad chipped it when he was moving it around when the paint was still wet. But yeah, whatever. Just gonna put it on. I'll put a Sharpie over it or something. But yeah, I'll swap that out, and that is next up on the list. Install gone wrong, part 2. So I got the pipe off, and I removed the nuts on the blow-off valve flange, but the nuts, or the bolts themselves are like stuck inside somehow. I don't really know what's going on. So. that's another one off the list. Gotta go cross it out. Replace BUNK CX Racing BOV pipe. Done. Continuing the theme of going out of order here. Just gonna stay in the engine bay for a while now. We're just gonna do the brake master cylinder heat shield next. This is weird, working without gloves.
Yeah, why don't you have them on?
I don't know.
You're out?
No, I'm never out of gloves. That'd be unheard of. Yeah, I don't know the fitment of that. It looks like the one of the bolts won't line up, so we might have to either bend it or drill some fresh holes into it. Oh, that is just... Oh, that's not a good fall. It didn't fall to the ground. It's stuck in the tub. The bolt is too long. Look at that heat protection right there. Ooh, yeah. No more melting. Well, I've never had this problem because I've never had a turbo inches away from my brake master cylinder, but so early. Okay, we gotta cross this one off the list now. Everything's going so smoothly right now.
And you juiced it.
Yeah, probably. Woo! Now we got all the harder jobs. All the ones that require getting under the car. Ah! Hey, look. It's a broken KA24DE oil squirter on the ground here. Ugh. Woo! Got Matthew keeping me company under the car, watching Calvin's garage. Alright, so this is news to me that apparently I need to get a test pipe when you have the SR downpipe. I guess I expect you to either run the stock cat or have a test pipe handy already, which is super weird. I thought it would just be the length of a regular downpipe including the cat or test pipe, but apparently I do need to get another one that bolts in there and then it bolts to the cat back after the test pipe. Super weird. Alright, so never mind, the cat back is not going in today. I'm gonna order that test pipe like right now actually. Lead clutch. We're doing a little bit of a different method. So Matthew, I'm having him depress the clutch 6 times, very slowly. On the 6th try, he keeps it to the floor, and then while he holds it to the floor, I break open the bleeder valve for about 3 seconds, and then I close it up, and then he lets go of his foot, and we've just been doing that. We have a couple more to go, but the clutch is feeling a lot better. The pedal's actually coming back up on its own now, so that's pretty sick. And this car is coming together. Woo! Hell yeah, it comes back on its own. Woo! Matthew with the fresh Prelude swap. Already talking about getting a new Prelude.
It's complicated, you know.
No loyalty.
There's just some things that you want in this world. Because it has the Euro R swap, and that's for like the price is it's awesome. It's an awesome price. It's a steal, but there's too many variables, so I don't think I'm gonna do it. It would just be nice.
Alright, so I'm actually gonna end this video here because we're about to film a tutorial or a how-to on this car. So that'll be coming out very soon. We're gonna be replacing the antifreeze with water wetter and distilled water. I know, really simple tutorial, but it's it's something that's searched upon, so we're gonna answer or help those people out that don't know how to do it. Anyways, that'll do it for this video on the 240. Got a lot of work done, bled the clutch, got the drive shaft tightened down, tightened the engine mounts, replaced the intercooler piping, and then redid the vacuum lines. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, and we will see you guys next time. And also, just last thing, my power steering kit and the new intake should be here by the end of this week. So I will definitely be slapping those on, and then finally taking this car out. And then the test pipe that I ordered is coming from within California, so it should probably be here within 3 or 4 days. Then this catback will be on, and then the car will literally be 100% ready. Let's get it, boy.
What about the interior?
The interior's later. But yeah, good point. Ready to drive is what I meant.